Forget everything you thought you knew about sub-250G drones. Today, we're lifting the veil on what could be DJI's biggest game changer yet. In this video, you'll see the real Mini 5 Pro design. No more cartoonish props, no more bulky guards, just pure, refined engineering. Stay with me, because I'm revealing the official launch date, jaw-dropping flight times, validated by FCC paperwork, and yes, pricing leaks that nobody saw coming. You don't want to miss a single second. Hit like, subscribe, and let's count down to August 7th, 2025. Just weeks ago, rumor mills on X were ablaze with images of what looked like a medieval cage strapped to a drone. We all cringed, but a fresh clip from Maro Tandoy changes everything. In today's first exclusive look, we'll contrast those old leaks with the sleek reality. I'll walk you through every angle, frame by frame, so you know exactly why this matters for your next adventure shoot. At first glance, the Mini 5 Pro appears to be carved from monolithic aluminum, but it's 100% plastic composite, optimized for strength and weight. Notice the vented motor housings. They're not just for show. Those grills channel airflow straight to the core, slashing heat by up to 15% compared to the Mini 4 Pro. And check out those folding props. Quick-release slots mean you can swap blades mid-flight in under 10 seconds. Remember when prop screws meant fumbling in the cold? Those days are gone. This is ultra-portable meets pro-grade. Now here's where it gets wild. A newly leaked FCC label confirms a 4680 mAh cell at 33.5 watt-hours, over 20% more juice than its predecessor. Translating that into real-world numbers, DJI claims up to 50 to 55 minutes of continuous hover time. Think about it. Nearly an hour in the air on a single charge for under 250 grams. Whether you're scouting real estate or chasing sunsets, that extra half hour could be the difference between almost got it and nailed it. I'll break down how fast charging might shave your turnaround time to 15 minutes. The Mini 5 Pro is stepping up with a true 1-inch sensor. First time ever on a 250 G-class drone. More surface area equals cleaner, sharper images in low light. Your nightscapes will glow. Your dawn time-lapses will pop. The gimbal? Fully exposed, sans side flaps, allowing 360 degrees pan and tilt, just like the Mavic 4. That means smooth cinematic sweeps, without hitting mechanical stops. Later, I'll show hypothetical shot lists so you can envision exactly how to exploit these angles for viral content. DJI's integrated front-facing LR sensor, borrowed from their high-end 3D infrared suite, now lives on the Mini. It spots obstacles up to 25 meters away at a 60-degree field of view. Low-light optimized. No more mid-flight surprises in canyons or under bridges. Plus, larger sensor bulges on the body indicate expansion room for future payloads. Think modular add-ons. We'll speculate on what DJI might drop next after launch. Under that aerodynamic shell, more powerful brushless motors hide behind those vent ports, giving the Mini 5 Pro better wind resistance and lifting capacity for add-ons like clip-on lights or mics. Quick-release propellers return. No tiny screws, no lost parts. On the control side, it supports RC2, RCN3, and DJI Goggles 3 FPV N3. Voice command? Check. In-app audio recording? Check. And rumors hint at a dedicated shot mode button. Hit it, and the drone executes pre-programmed cinematic moves. No mobile device needed. Later, I'll demo what those shots could look like so you're ready on day one. Mark your calendars. August 7th, 2025 is the big day, confirmed by Jasper Ellens via Drone XL. Pre-order windows will open mid-July, and I'll link deals as soon as they're live. Supplies will move fast. DJI rarely keeps stock for long. Hit that bell icon now so you're first in line. Trust me, missing out on the early bird bundles means paying premium later. So what's it cost? Insider whispers place the standalone at approximately $850 USD, with a Fly More combo around $1,200. That slots it neatly between the Mini 4 Pro's $759 and the Air 3S's $1,999 for a sub-250-gram platform with these specs. 1-inch sensor, 55-minute flights, advanced sensing. This is a steal. I'll run the ROI math. How many weddings, real estate shoots, or geography class demos you'd need to break even in a month? Spoiler, you'll pay itself off faster than you think. There you have it. DJI's boldest Mini yet, packed with pro features in a featherweight frame. Will it redefine the ultralight class? I think so. Now I want to know. What dream shot are you planning with this new power? Drop it in the comments below. Smash that like button if you're hyped, and subscribe for the moment we get official specs, hands-on tests, and my full comparison with the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S. The future of lightweight aerial cinematography is almost here. Don't blink, or you'll miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay with us.